So now in this image I will show you how to remove this entire character by using the content aware tool. After selecting the content aware move tool, I will change the mode to extend. I'll use this tool in a step-by-step way. So first of all, I will be selecting the portion of the sky and I will just keep it over here. You need to set the structure and the color values so that it should work accordingly. So that's it. I will go for Control D. I will again create a selection for these clouds and I'm going to move it so that I can overlap on this area. That's it. Control D. Little bit of selection from this side so that I can keep it over here, and if required you just need to manually adjust the structure and the color values. So this looks perfectly fine. For this part, as it looks like a patch, I will take some pixels from here and then I will increase the structure value and I will increase the color value so that the blending happens in a proper way. So again, some of the areas from here and I'll keep it over here. That's it. So these blendings are perfectly done. Let's now proceed to this area. Here I will take a selection from this part and select and drag it over here as per the horizon line. That's it. If required, you need to change the color values, and you can see for this part I will just keep it at 2 and see if this works perfectly. That's it. For this part I will take some portion from here and just overlap it. For this section I am going to create a selection from these stones. I will bring it and place it over here. So I will keep it up to this level, and for the part of the shoes I will create a selection over here and I will just put it on the shoes area. And again you just need to adjust the color values and the structure if required, but let's keep the structure at 7 itself. Control D. Similarly, I will just get rid of the shadow part. Click and drag. Click and drag it here. Control D. And that's it. So this is how we just got rid of the entire character which was overlapping the sky, the sea and the land. Again, just to fine tune, you can see that this area is not perfectly aligned and there's still a patch left over there. So let's go for another selection over here and then place it over here, and if required I can use any other tool, for example patch or clone tool, to just patch up the required area. So this is how the content aware tool has been used to remove an entire character from the image. I will reset the image and now you can just see the before and the after image. Thank you for watching this video.